Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade to a better ETF with BlackRock step by step clearly. Begin by researching your current ETF holdings. Identify the key performance metrics of your existing ETF. Evaluate the expense ratio, historical returns, and asset allocation. Next, explore BlackRock's range of ETFs. Visit BlackRock's website to familiarize yourself with their offerings. Use the search function to find ETFs that align with your investment goals. Compare potential ETFs with your current holdings. Look for funds with lower expense ratios or better historical performance. Analyze the underlying assets of the ETFs you're considering. Ensure they fit within your risk tolerance and investment strategy. Once you've made your selection, log into your brokerage account. Navigate to the section where you manage your investments. Initiate the process to sell your existing ETF shares. Review any fees or tax implications associated with this transaction. Confirm the sale of your current ETF. Now, search for the new BlackRock ETF you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details carefully before proceeding. Place your order for the new ETF shares. Monitor your new investment periodically. Reassess your portfolio regularly to ensure alignment with your financial goals. Stay informed about market trends and BlackRock's performance updates. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on your findings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.